hormones and nutrition. Let me give you a sneak peek of what I have been preparing for 3 months, every single day, every weekend, and now it's here. So here is the workbook that you received most probably now, even by email, and you can download it. And if you are going to join me for the live workshop with 1 hour of questions and answers, you definitely want to prepare also your blood tests and note down what was the day of your period when these blood tests were done, so that I can teach you how to understand it. So what is this amazing, mind-blowing workshop going to be about? So obviously it's about misfiring hormones. This is for women 35 plus who have noticed that something is not quite right and they want to get back on track. So we will talk about hormones and the impact on the mood, memory, sleep, weight, appetite, energy, libido, and digestion. And then I will also teach you how to track your period, know whether you are ovulating or not, and understand in a practical way how you can rebalance it either with hormone yoga therapy or nutrition. So let me just quickly go through the presentation. So here I will talk about me, my personal story, my bikini body that actually did not happen this year, and I tell you why. Then we will look at the 9 changes of the perimenopause. I will explain what are hormones, what can go wrong, why you actually need to have a healthy levels of cortisol and the sex hormones, and that they are not produced only in ovaries as people usually think, importance of the thyroid health, and which test you should actually do, and what are the signs and symptoms. And then we talk about endometriosis, fibroids, painful period, anovulatory cycle, and so on. And I will also show you the case study of Jane that actually had all these issues, and I will talk step by step about each marker, the biochemical marker, and we will find out together why she has no period, why she actually has completely low sex hormones, and what was that one thing that she had to change to get back on track. So once we do it, I will talk about estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, how you find out if you are low or high in testosterone, why it takes actually 100 days to get a regular period, and what are actually all the steps, how to track menstruation, what to eat, what to do, and what to avoid. And then I'm going to talk also about the biggest mistakes of intermittent fasting. If you are like cycling, if you have a menstrual cycle, you must know how to do that correctly. And then I will talk about the benefits of hormone yoga therapy, because yesterday I finished the hormone yoga therapy online course, and there is going to be a group course in Basel in one yoga studio, and you can get on the waiting list, and one of you will get it for free. So that's why I also want to join this workshop to find out who is it going to be. So I will talk about the science and spirituality linked together, because as a hormone yoga therapist and a science-based nutritionist, I really got this prepared for you. So you can see that there are so many things, but the best on this workshop is going to be the live Q&A session, because you can share your screen, you can show me your blood test results, and with my experienced eye of all 200 biochemical markers, I can tell you exactly what is your problem. So this is the only chance how to do it. Obviously, this workshop is going to be part of the VIP packages and the a la carte, and it's going to be also bonus for the unlock the secrets of anti-aging or any long-term cooperation. Maybe some of you will get it for free. If you are a client of mine for more than 6 months, I will just probably share it with you for free. So if you have any questions about it and you would want to quickly sign up, then send me an email and I will give you all that link. And I'm looking forward to seeing you there and helping you to understand the signs and symptoms of your body and getting back on track.